The deep squat back expander is a great way to really open up the back as well as work yourself into a deep squat. So you do want to find something that is stable to hold on to, at ground level. So I'm using some dumbbells here. You want to trap your knees between your arms and keep your feet close together. Relax the front of your ankles. And you don't want your ankles to necessarily be holding you up per se. You want to lean back onto your arms and relax the front of your hips. Sink towards the floor, relax your head on your knees. Exhale, stretch from the inside. Deep breath, pushing your rib cage up and back. Then exhale.